Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C51 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll to find security. Here we've got face and fingerprint unlock, so let's tap on it. And we have to confirm everything with our screen lock. As you can see, I've got one fingerprint added, so let me enter it and first of all remove it so I can show you everything from the very start. So, too much. All right. So let's tap on face and fingerprint unlock, again confirm it, and tap on the fingerprint. This is the very first step of adding the fingerprint, but a quick disclaimer: if you do not have the screen lock currently added, so for example the pattern pin or password, you will have to do it right now before you will see this this section. It is crucial because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So here we've got also the information about the fingerprint, so how it works, etc. So simply tap on I agree, and right now we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side. So all we have to do is to put our finger on it, and right now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So as you can see, we have to move our finger to catch all of the edges, all of the areas, for better recognition, of course. And as you can see, it's quite sensitive because it really catches that I've already saved the particular area. All right, here we've got our fingerprint added. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. All we can do, unfortunately, with our fingerprint is to either remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon or rename it. You can tap on it and just add any name you want to. You can, of course, add the fingerprint, and I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. So let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.